Okay guys, we're going to replace the system here. New furnace, coil, sheet metal. Todd's measuring everything up for you, so hopefully we can get it made before we do the job. Reconnect your gas pipe. Flue pipes here. We're going to install a T over here, and then pipe with 4" from the water heater, 4" from the furnace over to the T. It's a little bit of a long of a run, so try and get us a port in here somewhere. Here's the back of the furnace. This humidifier is getting removed. Your zone's set up. Zone 1's the first floor. Zone 2's the second floor. Zone 2 needs only one stage of, or the first stage of air conditioning in the wiring. Talk to Todd about the notes with that.